Okay, you're in Microsoft Excel and you need to fill blank cells with the value above. So your first step is to select all of the blank cells, and you don't have to do that manually. Just click somewhere in your data. Then on the Home tab of your ribbon, go over to the Find and Select button. You can see that with the magnifying glass. Go to Special, then select Blanks from this list. Click on OK, and that's going to select all the blank cells within your data. Then just type an equal sign and it will appear on one of the cells that have been selected, and then you just select the cell above that cell. Then, instead of pressing Enter, use Control Enter on your keyboard, and that'll fill all the blank cells. Now at the moment, all of those cells that were blank now contain a formula, and what we want to do is replace that formula with values, so you'll better sort it and filter it in a normal way. Now to do that, you need to select all of the cells in those columns. So you could do that manually just by dragging down the columns, or you could select the cells at the top of those columns and then use this shortcut key, Control-Shift-Down arrow key, to select down to the last consecutive row that's being used in your data. And then a quick way to get back to the first row that you've selected is to use the shortcut key Control-Backspace. Then you want to copy, so Control-C on your keyboard, and then up here on the Home tab, go to your Paste drop-down button and choose Paste Values. This is a 1, 2, 3 on the clipboard. So now if I press Escape, that'll get rid of the marching ants, and all these cells contain values rather than formulas. Okay, that's all I wanted to cover in this particular video. Hopefully that's useful. If it is, please give me a thumbs up and subscribe, and I'll see you next video.